Herbert Peabody and the Dog Wash Adventure. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Our pup has been busy at play. He's been running and playing outside. And it's time for our dog wash day. Bath time now for our friend. We warm the water up. Let's take off this collar. Time to wash our pup. We start off with a rinse and gently wet his fur. We stay calm and we're gentle for shampooing to occur. We give his back a lovely scrub and carefully wash his face too. Next, we wash his ears. Now a rub to feel brand new. Time to dry off. We start with a towel. It seems our pup has an idea. To shake it off, he knows how. Shake it, puppy dog. You're ready to go, hooray! And we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.